Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay guys, so today I want to do a discussion with the guest Alif Al. So today I want to talk about true friends. So I want to ask you first, what is a true friend in your opinion?
From my opinion or my perspective, what is true friends? Okay. So true friends is basically means best friends. So it is means a friend that help you during your uh, dark moments or at your stress moments or at your lowest, and just accompany you everywhere you go and always be by your side. Yeah, I think that's for the first
Oh,
question, first
so
answer.
that's a true friend in your opinion. And then what is the difference between a true friend and a fake friend?
A true friend and a fake friend.
So easy.
Yeah. So I already told you about what is true friends, yeah. And maybe I'll just tell you the difference between true friends and the fake friends, yeah, and the comparison. So fake friends is maybe in your eyes he is a friend who always accompany you, but at your lowest or at your down moments, dark moments, he won't be by your side. He will always, but he will always beside you when maybe you have something that you wanted, or maybe just because you're popular or you're famous, so he is by your side. But yeah, just know that he is there not because he actually wants to be your friend, but just because that's what he wanted.
Okay. And then uh, how many true friends do you think a person can have?
How many true friends? Yeah, so
Yes.
for this, for the true friends or best friends, I think the average amount of people to have best friends is around
Oh,
two best friends.
so I think it's uh, until they,
100.
yes, maybe a hundred friend, thousand.
Yeah, many people also thought about that, but best friends, yeah, is of course true friends. It's just it is just friends that you're really into him and he really onto you. So he is friend that by your side and else. And there is a quote that saying, if if a cent is a friend, yeah. So if 1 cent is a friend, then I'll choose four quarters instead. So that means best friends is 10 times better than only friends, because friends can betray you, but best friends will always by your side because you need him, he needs you, you want him, and he wants you.
Okay. So do you think social media friendships can be real friendships?
Social media friendship, yeah. Lots of people maybe just chatting online, hoping to find friends or best friends, true friends, but in the reality, it is really hard or really difficult to find real friends in social media, because he is just texting, yeah, his fingers, and then the text, yeah, he did not show his tone, he did not show his voice, his face, or what his looks like, but you can only see the text that coming from his phone, from his signal. So so we don't know anything about him. So yeah, I think that's not realistic to actually wishing to find a friend or hoping to find a friend to in social media.
Okay. And then can you have a true friend online that you've never met in person?
What?
Can you can you have a true friend online that you have never met in person?
Uh, True friends online that we, yeah. So about this, it is like what I've said. It is almost impossible, but sometimes there's just the right person, or if you just met someone who maybe feels the same like you, think the same like you could have maybe met your best friends on social media. But if we have never met him, yeah, met your
That person.
online friend, yeah, maybe it is really hard to decide is he a really true friend or a fake friend.
So it almost impossible to meet a true friend in social media.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So is it okay for a true friend to criticize you?
true friend, yeah. Since it is a true friend, so he is or she is a true friend, so I think it is okay because
Okay.
yeah, it is okay because the chance of true friends betraying you is almost none, because since it is of course true friends or best friends, yeah, so you could trust him, he trusts you, he trusts you, you trust him. So if he criticize you, yeah, I think it is none than jokes, or even if it's real and then it is good for you, as long as it is not a hate but only criticize, yeah, I think it is good for you and good for him.
Okay. So then, do you think boys and girls can be a true friend without romantic feelings? What do you
Okay.
feel? What do you think about that?
Okay. Can boys and girls be best friend or true friends
Without romantic
without
feelings?
romantic feelings? Yeah. So about this question, uh, do you want me to just explain from my opinion or from religion? From religion.
From your opinion.
Oh, from my opinion. Okay. So from my opinion, it is you can actually have a friend, but of course, best friends. Yeah. So only two of you, you and your
Girlfriend.
no, a friend girl. So it's actually really hard to making sure that you are only friend, because sometimes maybe if you're just walking down side by side with your friend girl, uh, other people will judge that and saying that you and your girl best friend is girlfriend or dating, yeah. And of course that's sometimes they could bully you or anything else, but I think from my opinion it is just having a what friend not the same gender is not a good thing. Why? Because I think it's better to have like friend of a different gender, just like second option or something, because of course your thinking and your feelings are different, of course, and also different genders, so you don't know what each other's mean maybe. Continue.
Okay. Why that question? How important is true friend to your mental health?
Okay, my friend through your mental health, yeah. So maybe for this question, just logical thinking that of course you need you will need best friend the most because it is your best friend. So maybe if you have some problem or something, some problem like getting bullied or anything else, and you afraid to tell your parents about it, you can just share your feelings to your friends, and then your friends will give you some advice maybe for it. But make sure it is a true friend, because if you share your feelings or trying to get advice from the fake friend, it will, maybe he will laugh at you or make fun of you. So that's why you need best friends or true friends.
Okay. So, do you think a true friend should know all your secrets?
uh, okay, about that, maybe friends, yeah, best friend especially, maybe he's allowed to know some of the secrets that you didn't tell to your friends. Maybe there's like, just average you and your friend. Maybe he knew your secret like just 25%.
So, 25%.
Yes, and then your best friend, I think he is allowed to have 50% of your secret, and make sure that's your friends. Yeah, I think that's it.
Uh, so, maybe this is for the discussion. I think it's not discussion. Okay, thank you for Alif that already answer all my question about true friends. And maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we made some mistake. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.